Daisy the cow with her spots so neat, munching on grass, what a tasty treat. Butterflies dance as she winks her eye, happy and playful beneath the blue sky. Buttercup explores the barn so wide, with hay and birds by her side. She tilts her head and gives a moo, curious and cute, peeking through. Mocha walks where the river flows, watching the ducks as the breeze blows. She peeks at the water with eyes so bright, marveling at the shimmering light. Snowflake plays where the snowflakes fall, leaving her prints so tiny and small. She looks up high with her twinkling eyes, a snowflake stands from the wintry skies. Midnight gazes at the stars so bright, shining above on this magical night. Fireflies glow and twirl all around, as midnight stands on the moonlit ground. Rosie the cow loves flowers in bloom, buzzing bees at a gentle tune. She sniffs a blossom with a wink so sweet, in her picnic spot such a perfect treat. Violet walks through a meadow so wide, with glowing flowers on every side. Butterflies sparkle as they fly near, and Violet watches with eyes so clear. Sunshine jumps where the kids all play, chasing the breeze on a sunny day. Her golden coat sparkles so bright, bringing joy and endless delight.